and a very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe and taking care of yourself. Now today in the maths we'll be doing lesson number 4, the last part, that is part number 6 in this lesson of multiplication. Now today we'll be doing the word problems, that is your everyday maths, which is on page number 109. So all of you will first write today's date, 12:30, 12, 20, 20 and classwork, and then we will do the sums. Now these word problems you have to write it in your notebook also one time. So first we'll read out and I'll explain you, then you will do the multiplication as I have shown the method step by step. The same way you will write it in your notebook also one time. Problem is, a bus can carry 213 people. How many people can be carried in by 4 such buses? Now, in one bus, how many people can carry one bus? एक बस में कितने लोग जा सकते हैं? 213 people can travel in one bus. So, how many people will be there in 4 such buses? तो ऐसी 4 buses के अंदर कितने लोग travel कर सकते हैं? First, we are going to write the statement. Number of people in one bus can carry, that is 213, that is 213 people. Number of buses is 4. So total, therefore, this is the sign of therefore. The 3 dots in the form of a triangle is your therefore. Total number of people that can be carried is equal to 213 multiplied by 4. Now here I have shown you the multiplication, how you have to do it. 213 multiplied by 4, 3 4s are 12, 2, carry 1, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5, and 4 2s are 8. So 852 people can travel in 4 such buses. Now the second one, there are 48 bottles in one crate. मतलब एक बड़े से जो crate होता है जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी bottles रखी जाती है उसको crate बोलते हैं. उसमें 48 bottles आ सकती हैं एक crate के अंदर. Then how many bottles are there in 7 such crates? तो ऐसे 7 crates के अंदर कितने bottles आते होंगे? तो आपने देखा होगा कि पहले जो एक बड़ा सा प्लास्टिक का बास्केट जैसा आता है उसके अंदर बॉटल्स रखे जाते हैं, उसको क्रेट बोलते हैं. तो स्टेटमेंट, नंबर ऑफ बॉटल्स इन वन क्रेट इज इक्वल टू 48. कितने बॉटल्स हैं? 48 बॉटल्स हैं. एंड नंबर ऑफ क्रेट्स इज इक्वल टू 7. सो 48 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7. हियर आई हैव शोन यू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 48 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 is 8 7s are 56. We'll write here 6 and carry 5. 7 8s are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. So 48 multiplied by 7 is 336 bottles are there in 7 such crates. Now third one. There are 7 days in a week. Now 7 days, I have written here 7 in number so that it will be easy for you. Find the number of days in 123 weeks. मतलब कि एक अगर वीक में, एक हफ्ते में 7 days होते हैं. You all know that there are 7 days in a week starting from Monday and ending on Saturday. So how many days are there in 123 weeks? मतलब कि 123 weeks अगर हैं तो उसमें कितने दिन होंगे? Statement, number of weeks is equal to 123. Number of days in 1 week is equal to 7. Therefore, total number of days is equal to 123 multiplied by 7 is equal to 861. Here you can see the multiplication. 123 multiplied by 7, 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 7 2s are 14, 15 16, carry 1, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8. 861 days are there in 123 weeks. This was your page number 109. Now we move on to page number 110. This is your question number 4 or the problem number 4. How many wheels will 136 cars have? एक कार अगर 136 कार्स है तो उसमें कितने व्हील्स होंगे? नाउ दिस यू हैव टू थिंक लॉजिकली फर्स्ट के नंबर ऑफ कार्स इज इक्वल टू 136, दैट आई हैव रिटन हियर 136. नाउ नंबर ऑफ व्हील्स इन वन कार, ये आपको नहीं दिया हुआ है. दिस इज नॉट गिवन. नंबर ऑफ व्हील्स इन वन कार इज नॉट गिवन, बट यू ऑल नो दैट इन अ कार देयर आर 4 व्हील्स. एक कार में कितने व्हील्स होते हैं ये हमको नहीं दिया हुआ है, लेकिन ये हमको वैसे ही पता है। ये आपको सोच के खुद लिखना है कि एक कार में कितने व्हील्स होते हैं। तो नंबर ऑफ कार्स इन वन व्हील इज इक्वल टू 4। देयरफॉर you can see the symbol of therefore total number of wheels is equal to 136 multiplied by 4, that is 554. In short, you will write like this, and this you will show the method like this. So total number of wheels in 136 cars is 554. Question number 5. There are 18 mangoes in one basket. How many mangoes are there? 18 mangoes in one basket. How many mangoes are there in 8 such baskets? Now, if one basket can have 18 mangoes, then how many mangoes can 8 baskets have? मतलब कि अगर 8 बास्केट हैं तो उस 8 बास्केट्स के अंदर अगर 18 मैंगोज के हिसाब से कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज होंगे? So first we'll read the statement. Number of mangoes in one basket, that is equal to 18. Then number of baskets, what is the total number of baskets? That is 8. So therefore total number of mangoes is equal to 18 multiplied by 8, that is 144 mangoes are there in 8 such baskets. Now next question is question number 6. There are 36 eggs in one crate. मतलब एक क्रेट के अंदर कितने एग्स रखे जाते हैं? 36 एग्स रखे जाते हैं. तो हाउ मेनी एग्स आर देयर इन 10 सच क्रेट्स? तो ऐसे 10 क्रेट्स के अंदर कितने एग्स होंगे? नाउ स्टेटमेंट विल राइट फर्स्ट. नंबर ऑफ एग्स इन वन क्रेट इज इक्वल टू 36 and number of crates is equal to 10. Therefore, total number of eggs is equal to 36 multiplied by 10 is equal to 360 eggs. So, total 360 eggs are there in 10 such crates. Now, dear children, you can see that in all the word problems, I have marked certain part of the question. मैंने कुछ part question का underline किया है हर एक question के अंदर. तो जहाँ I have underlined those questions in that places, you also have to underline those places in your textbook so that you know that these are the important things that you have to read and understand. ये लाइंस इसीलिए की है कि आपको समझ में आए कि ये पार्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है जो आपको पढ़ना है और ये समझना है, इसी से हमको सम को सॉल्व करना है. सो एवरीवेयर इन ऑल द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैव अंडरलाइंड इट, सो यू विल ऑल्सो डू इट इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, and when you write it in your notebook, in that also you will do. Now we'll learn about how to multiply fast in the next video. On page number 110 is next topic, how to multiply fast. मतलब कि हम फटाफट जैसे हम ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं हम ऐसे तो हम कर ही सकते हैं, लेकिन देयर कैन बी एन ईजी मेथड वेयर यू कैन डू इट इन अ फास्टर वे. दिस इज़ द ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ नॉर्मली हम इसी तरीके से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, पर इससे भी ज़्यादा फास्ट और स्पीडी हम और सिंपल तरीके से हम कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करें सम को, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू नो. नाउ द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन 34 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, राइट द नंबर्स एज शोन. 34 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. सो सबसे पहले क्या किया है कि 30 और 4 को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है. 30 एंड 4 में यू हैव टू मेक अ बॉक्स लाइक दिस वेयर इन एंड डिवाइड इट इनटू टू पार्ट्स, एंड दिस 34 यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट इनटू 2. 30 एंड 4. 34 हम बोलते हैं तो हम कैसे बोलते हैं? 34. तो एक में हम 30 लिखेंगे, दूसरे में हम 4 लिखेंगे, और जिस नंबर से हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट दिस साइड, दैट इज योर नंबर 2. Now first you are going to multiply 30 with 2 and then 2 and 4. So 30 to the 60 and 4 to the 8. So 60 and 8 is your answer. So add 60 plus 8. So 34 multiplied by 2 is equal to 68. This is your answer. Now next here it is 23 multiplied by 12. अब यहाँ पर जो 23 multiplied by 12 है, first we have to break this 23 and 12 into two parts. 23 है तो how we are going to write this 23? 20 and 3, and then this is your 12. 12, तो हम उसको 10 plus 2 में करेंगे. Now here there are two numbers and here also there are two numbers. That means 2 digit is going to be multiplied by 2 digit. In the first example we saw was a 2 digit multiplied by single digit. Now here 2 digit is going to be multiplied by another 2 digit. तो हम इसको 4 columns में divide करेंगे इस box में. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we are going to do first is we are going to multiply 20 by 10 and then 3 by 10. Now in this side what we are going to write here, 20 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 2. That I'll show you on page number 111. Now you can see here 10 and 20, that is 200, and 10 and 3, 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Now in the same way in the second box we are going to multiply 20 by 2. So 22 is 40 and then 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 6. Now we have to add 200, 30, 40 and 6. In सबको हमको add करना है. So 100 into 2 is 200. Then 10 into 20 is 200. 10 into 3 is 30. 2 into 20 is equal to 40 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now we are going to add this all, that comes to 276. Therefore your answer is 23 multiplied by 12 is equal to 276 is your answer. 23 multiplied by 12. So this way you can do it. Now just one more example, that is 43 multiplied by 13. So first what you have to do is break 43 into 40 and 3 and 13 into 10 and 3. अब हम इसको again we have to make the box and write the numbers here because 2 digit number is multiplied by another 2 digit number, so we have to make 4 boxes. अगर 2 digit number multiplied by 1 digit है then we are going to just make 2 boxes. लेकिन यहाँ पर 2 digit है और दूसरा number भी 2 digit है, इसलिए हमको 4 boxes बनाने हैं. Now 40 and 3, then the number by which we are going to multiply is 13, which we have divided as 10 and 3. तो फर्स्ट में 10 लिखेंगे और नीचे में हम 3 लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट विल मल्टीप्लाई 40 by 10 and then 3 by 10. So 40 multiplied by 10 is 400 and 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Now same way अब हम जो सेकेंड नंबर है 3 उससे हम 40 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 multiplied by 40, that is 120, and 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Now we are going to add this up. इसका एडिशन आएगा 400. This is 400, then this is 120, 30 and 9. 400, 120, 30 and 9, that comes out to 559. Now dear children, when you are going to add the numbers, आप ऐसे लिखेंगे जैसे 3 digit number है. अगर दूसरा भी कोई 3 digit number आता है तो पहले उसको उसके नीचे लिखेंगे, फिर 2 digit number और फिर single digit number. So when you are adding the numbers, it will be easy for you. अगर आप यहाँ पर 9 लिख देंगे, बीच में 30 लिख देंगे और 120 लास्ट में लिखेंगे तो आपको एडिशन में प्रॉब्लम होगी. You can make a mistake while doing the addition. So always write the numbers according to the digits. The highest number digits will come first. जैसे 3 digit है तो both the 3 digit numbers will be written first. Then you will write 2 digit number and then 1 digit number and then add, that is 599. यहाँ पर same way some more examples are given. 73 multiplied by 11. So 70 plus 3 and 10 and 1. So this way you have to do it. अब इसका आंसर जो है यहाँ पर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ राइट द आंसर एंड चेक इट बाय कैलकुलेटिंग. Now you can see I have done the calculation. Now 10 multiplied by 7 is 700. Then 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. 1 multiplied by 70 is 70 and 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Now we are going to add this all. Here 3 digit number is 1 only, that is 700. So first we will write 700, then 30, then 70 and then 3. The total is 803. Now that means that 73 multiplied by 11 is 803. Now from here onwards we have to solve each and if the boxes are made here, but we have to write the numbers. Now this is 25 multiplied by 36. Now how the 36 has been broken? 30 plus 6 and 20 plus 5. So 20, first we are going to multiply 20 by 30. So 20 multiplied by 30, then 20 by 6. So 20 multiplied by 6 is 120. Then this 5 is to be multiplied by 30. अब 5 को हम 30 से multiply करेंगे. 5 multiplied by 30 is equal to 150. 5 3s are 15 and 1 0. Then this 5 to be multiplied by 6. 5 6 are 30. The total 600, 120, 150 and 30, that is 360. Therefore 25 multiplied by 36 is equal to 360. Now same way, next is your 25 multiplied by 53. Now break 53 as 50 and 3 and 20 plus 5. 25 को हम 20 plus 5 के तरीके से लिखेंगे. अब यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही हमने सॉल्व किया है. 20 और 50 को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर 20 और 3 को करेंगे, और फिर 5 और 50 को करेंगे, और फिर 5 और 3 को करेंगे. तो इसका आंसर आएगा 100, इसका 60 आंसर आएगा. 5 5 are 25 and 1 0, that is 250, और 5 3 are 15. इन सबको यहाँ पर ऐड किया. नाउ हियर आई हैव रिटन लाइक दिस, लेकिन आप जब लिखेंगे तो आप यहाँ पर जो है पहले 250 लिखेंगे, बाद में 16 और बाद में 15 लिखेंगे, तो आंसर 425 आएगा. सो moving on to page number 112 are the remaining sums of this only. Or next is your 73 multiplied by 11. So 10 and 1, 70 and 3. इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको यही नंबर जो है पहला नंबर इधर लिखना है और दूसरा नंबर इधर लिखना है. अल्टीमेटली तो we have to multiply only. So we can write any numbers like this. 73 we can write here also, and we can write this side also. Now 70 multiplied by 10 and 70 multiplied by 1. So you have to do the total and write the answer, that is 803. And last one is 51 multiplied by 13. So 50 and 1 here and 10 and 3 here. The answer is 663. Now all these sums you have to write it in your notebook also one time. अब जो है यहाँ पर एक्टिविटी है, complete the multiplication tree. You can see the lovely trees there with few sums of multiplications that are given here. यहाँ पर 12 है. अब यहाँ पर 12 जो नंबर आया है, ये 12 नंबर किस किस टेबल में आता है वो आपको लिखना है. जैसे 12 1s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So we can get 12 like this. So in all the 3 mangoes you have to write how in which table the 12 comes. फिर वैसे ही 45 है, तो 45 किस किस टेबल में आता है. 9 5s are 45, then 5 9s are 45, और 45 1s are 45. The same way it is your 18. Now 18 किस किस के टेबल में आता है. 6 3s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 18 1s are 18. The same way 10 is there. 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 10 1s are 10. वैसे 35 है. 7 5s are 35, 5 7s are 35, and 35 1s are 35. 36, 9 4s are 36, 4 9s are 36, and 36 1s are 36. 80, 10 8s are 80, 8 10s are 80, and 80 1s are 80. So this way you can write. और भी नंबर्स आ सकते हैं, लेकिन ये जो इजी नंबर्स हैं जो आपको पता है वही नंबर्स हमने इसमें टेबल में लिखे हैं. बाकी और टेबल्स में जैसे 80 है और भी टेबल्स में आता है, तो अभी हम उसको नहीं लिखेंगे. तो इस तरीके से सिंपल फॉर्म में हम आपको ये करके आप बताना है कि किस ये जो नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं वो कौन कौन से टेबल्स में आते हैं. So for this you need to learn the tables perfectly. Now with your worksheet, which is on page number 113. Now shopping with the tables. That means what you have to do is you have to find the cost of the objects that you can see here in the pictures given. Now how much do these objects cost? Now you can see first is your chocolate. Now it is given here at the end of each object you can see 2 rupees each. That means the cost of one chocolate is 2 rupees. Now here I have written 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 2 rupees one chocolate, another 2 rupees, and another 2 rupees. That comes out to 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 6 rupees. But how we have to solve this? Cost 3 toffees cost 3 multiplied by 2. Now this is a repeated addition form, and this is the short form that we are doing, that is your multiplication. 3 times the toffees, 2 rupees have been repeated. So 3 multiplied by 2, that is rupees 6. Now next is your 4 erasers cost. Now here you can see the erasers. Each eraser costs rupees 4. हर एक eraser की कीमत 4 rupees है. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and there are 4 erasers. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 कितना होगा? होगा 16 होगा। और यहाँ पर हमने क्या लिखा है शॉर्टकट मेथड में 4 इरेजर्स कॉस्ट 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 दैट इज 16 रुपीज़। सेम वे 8 बलून्स। नाउ कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच बलून इज ₹5। एक बलून की कीमत 5 रुपीज़ है। इन ऑल दिस आई हैव रिटन 5 5 + 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 एंड 40 रुपीज़। सो इन शॉर्ट 5 8 multiplied by 5, cost of one balloon is 5 rupees and there are 8 balloons, so total is 40 rupees. Next are few toys or some objects are given, like this is your car, then this is cat. All these toys cost rupees 10 each. मतलब जितने भी ये toys हैं हर toy की कीमत 10 rupees है. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 toys are there and each toy cost rupees 10. अगर हम total करते हैं plus करते हैं, if we do the addition, then 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50 and 50 plus 10 is 60. So all the 6 toys cost rupees 60. So in short, what we are going to write, cost of 6 toys is 6 multiplied by 10 is rupees 60. So this way we have to do this. Now add, this is, you have to give the string. This is 12. Here you can see the numbers are written on the t-shirt. With this number you have to match the multiplication table. This is 12. So 4 3s are 12. This is 7 5s are, it has to be 35. Now next number is 30 over here. It is written 30. So how it is going to be 6 5s are 30 and last is your 8 2s are 16, that is written here. So you have matched the string with the multiplication tables. Now this you are going to do it in your textbook only. ये पेज आपको textbook में ही करना है और this tree वाला भी आपको textbook में ही complete करना है. Next are your MCQs. So page 114, that is 114, is your multiple choice questions, which is your MCQ. Tick the correct answer. Multiplication is a process of repeated subtraction, addition, multiplication. None of these. It is your addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Second one, there are 3 lollipops in one box. How many lollipops are there in 5 such boxes? एक बॉक्स के अंदर अगर 3 लॉलीपॉप्स हैं तो ऐसे 5 बॉक्सेस के अंदर कितने लॉलीपॉप्स आएंगे? दैट मीन्स 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 lollipops. Option B is correct. Question number 3. Golu put exactly 5 marbles in each vessels shown below. How many marbles has she used in all? How many vessels are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5. And in each vessel how many marbles are there? 5 marbles are there. 5 10 15 and 20. Total 20 marbles are there. 5 fours are 20. Option C. Now fourth one, 14 17 zeros are is 0. This is your multiplication fact. You remember that. Option A. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is same as dash multiplied by 10. That means 5 multiplied by 10, because here 10 has been repeated 5 times. So your correct answer is option A. Question number 6. Which box has the smallest value? 6 into 2 is 12. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And 6 into 0 is equal to 0. So option D is correct. 0 is the smallest. It has the smallest value. तो इधर 6 multiplied by 0 की value सबसे smallest होगी क्योंकि आंसर इसका 0 आएगा. इसलिए option D is correct. Which of the following is the correct way to find the total number of pencils? This is 1 2 3 4. 4 pencils are there, and there are 1 2 and 3 groups are there. 3 groups are there and 4 pencils are there. So correct answer is option C. That is 4 multiplied by 3. There are 3 groups and in each group there are 4 pencils. So 4 multiplied by 3, total 12 pencils. Now next is Tom and Jerry live in a multi-story apartment. There are 5 floors and each floor has 20 steps. Now multi-story apartment means बहुत जो एक के ऊपर एक बहुत सारी जो घर बने हुए होते हैं, that is called as, जिसको हम flats बोलते हैं, multi-story apartment है. और हर there are 5 floors and each floor has 20 steps. तो कितने story है उसमें 5 माले हैं और हर माले पर चढ़ने के लिए 20 steps चढ़ने पड़ते हैं. So how many steps do they have to climb if they want to stay on the third floor ऑफ द अपार्टमेंट. अगर थर्ड फ्लोर तक जाना है, अगर तीसरे माले तक उनको जाना है, तो उनको कितने स्टेप्स चढ़ने पड़ेंगे? एक स्टेप में 20 है, दूसरे में भी 20 है और तीसरे में भी 20 है. दैट मीन्स 20 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 60 स्टेप्स. 20 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू 60 स्टेप्स दे हैव टू क्लाइम टू रीच ऑन द थर्ड फ्लोर. Next is your 723 multiplied by 1 is 723, option C. And 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 is your option B, correct. Now all these MCQs also you have to write it in your notebook one time. Now dear children, this lesson is over. On the next turn we'll be starting the new lesson, that is lesson number 5, division. I hope you all have understood the multiplication, how to multiply one digit number with one digit number, then two digit number with one digit number, and three digit number with two digit number. So I hope you all have understood the multiplication very nicely. If you have any problem, you can ask me, and please do the practice of multiplication at home also, then it will be easy for you to do in the exams. And complete all your work in your notebook also. Bye dear children. Have a nice day.